Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be doing a teardown on an HP laptop. This is the x360 model 15-ch011dx. In this video, you're going to get to learn on how to maybe replace the battery, replace the RAM, replace the CPU fan, things like that. So let me walk you through from start to finish. Doesn't seem like there is any screws at the bottom. Maybe they do, they don't. Okay. So I'm using a metal prying tool to go ahead and pry open that plastic, the rubber here, to expose the screws. And here you can see there are a few screws that we need to remove. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws here on the top. Once you've removed all the 4 screws, we need to work on the bottom screw here. I'll be using a Torque T5. Once you have removed the 3 screws at the bottom, let's go ahead and start to open it up. I'll be using a metal prying tool to get in between the plastic here. And you can go ahead and pry open the entire back cover. At this point, you can see that the battery is located right at the bottom. If you're looking to replace the battery, go ahead and disconnect the connector by sliding it to your left. There's no clipper, anything that holds on to the connector. Just slide it to your, slide it to your right, not to your left. I apologize on that. So slide it to your right, and the connector would slide open. Phillips screwdriver, and go ahead and remove a few of the screws here. I think it's not necessary to remove that screw, which is the speaker screw. I'll put it back in there and see if the battery is going to come right off. There you go, and that is the battery. And for you guys to look at the model here is YB06XL. That is the model on the battery here. Okay, once the battery is removed with the 2 screws, let's try to tackle removing the RAM simply by pushing both of the side here, and the RAM will pop up at 45-degree angle and slide it away from you. On the second slot, push the 2 clipper away and slide the RAM. This RAM here runs on a DDR4, 8 gigabytes, DDR4, and this laptop here runs on 16 gigabytes total. You can go up to 32 if you want. Let's try to remove, what else can we remove? Let's disconnect some of the cables here. I'll be disconnecting the speaker, sliding the cable to the left. Okay, and this is the CPU fan. The connector, you just snap onto it. To remove, simply just lift it straight up. Some connector here, which is the speaker on your right side. That is the CPU fan, just lift it straight up. And this is the auxiliary cable. Apologize on that earlier. This is not the CPU fan. This is auxiliary jack cable that comes from the side here for your headphones. You just lift it up to disconnect. Same thing for the fan here. Just lift it up to disconnect. And go ahead and open up the clipper. Those clipper right here is to clip onto the flex cable. That is the back keyboard lighting. That is the keyboard trackpad. Open up the clipper and slide that flex cable out. That is for your SD card. On the very top right corner, go ahead and do the same. That is for your extra USB, and you can expose the hard drive. The hard drive here runs on an M.2 SSD drive. Get the Phillips screwdriver, remove that, and slide the hard drive to your right at 45-degree angle and remove that M.2 SSD drive. Okay, and the next step is to go ahead and disconnect the Wi-Fi cable. There are two Wi-Fi cables here. Number 2 cable goes on the right. Number 1, which has the white tag, stays on the left. You can see the white and the black, and that indicates the Wi-Fi here. Now the next step is to disconnect this little cable by sliding it away from your body. So sliding it away from that side. That is additional speaker, I believe. Okay. Let's see, disconnect the it's kind of hard to remove this. I wonder how to remove that. Just a second. Let's go ahead and start removing the CPU fan. You might want to take this opportunity to go ahead and clean off the fan. If your fan is really dusty, any blockage, get a broom or brush. Just kind of brush it off. You want to brush it, where you have a dustbin, just brush it off. Two screws to remove the CPU fan. Go ahead and remove that. Get a brush and brush it off.